Drone spotted. Roger. Planting mine. What?
Hayes. I think we found Cooper.
Was he strangled?
I'm afraid not. His chest... the creature's got him.
Rest his soul. Cooper was brilliant. A snob, but brilliant. Meticulous. I think he kept a private log.
I imagine you two got along well. Maybe we can access his log from the command room, just to assess his brilliance.
What do you mean?
Oh, I accidentally triggered Buddy.
Oh, great. This guy's a cultist.
Keep your friends close, keep your enemies closer.
What did I say? Egg-loving freak. Another case closed for Detective Hunslet.
Easy, Corporal. Cooper's probably responsible for Pioneer. And Hayes knew the guy.
Feels like I didn't. That cult spreads everywhere, just like these creatures.
Yep. Next time we meet old acquaintances, let's remember that.
Setting a motion tracker. Motion tracker activated.
Come on, team.
Wait, that works? You could do that?
Move! Move!
What the fuck?